Well, I recently got this WEN Air Filtration system, model 3410, as you can see. And we're going to hang it in the garage here. I'll be putting it up right behind my garage door opener. I've got the outlet up there, all set to go. I've got this Dust Right vacuum hooked up to my table saw. I try to hook everything up to this system, my sanders, jigsaw, whatnot. But I still get so much dust in here. So we'll give this a try and see if that helps. Well, let's see what we have inside here. Yeah, everything you'd expect. Instructions, some sort of box, we got this. I'll pull all this out and we'll go from there. All right, I took it out of the box. And then they also give you this. So what do we have in here? The remote, no batteries. You gotta supply your own batteries. And the hooks and the chains. So what we're gonna do is take these off and put the mechanisms on. Be right back. Well, this is what comes in the box. 4 hooks that'll go on the unit itself, 4 chains, and 4 hooks that'll go into the ceiling. Now, and 4 lock washers. So we take these off. Put the lock washers on. And then these screw in to the unit. And we tighten those down. We'll do that 3 more times. All right, I have the hooks up. So now we're going to put the unit on. Well, I have the unit there, and it's going to suck the air into that filter. And it's right by my saw here. I figured that would be one of the bigger dust collectors, or dust makers, should I say. And my miter saw up there on the left. So we'll see. We'll go turn it on now and see how loud it is. That's the first speed. Second speed. And the third and top speed. It's not any noisier than any other equipment in here. And that's it off. Well, the remote is pretty basic. We got the middle button there for turning it on and the different speeds that you just saw. The timer, I believe it's 1 and 2 hours. And then the off button. And here's the controls on the unit itself, on the opposite end of the filter side. According to the book, these This was supposed to be 24 inches apart, but they're not. They're 14 inches. So what I had to do in my joints or trusses are 24 on center. So as you can see, I kind of have them spread apart there. And what I did was had to take up a few notches on the chain here to make it level. But it works. Well, it's been several weeks now, and it's stayed up. Hasn't fallen down, which obviously is good news. Well, there you are, just a short overview, installation, how the WEN Air Filtration System, model 3410 works. Thanks for watching. See you on my next project. Well, this is what comes in the box. 4 hooks.